finally is today and we released Slice Pilot. It took a little bit longer than expected, but here we go. And one-click solution, how you can slice your email design, compress it, and automatically upload it to Klaviyo. Nothing more is needed, okay? We all know the steps. We go here, we make the slices, we click here, what's wrong here? And then we need to go near and like, oh no, it's like this, and we need to like this, and then maybe it's not inside because it's here, and we need to put it outside of the frame so everything is included. And all that step, all that struggle is done. And then we need to download it. Then we always, when we have the slices, let me get back to the slice. When we have the slices, then we also need to click here, select again we choose JPEG, and all that stuff, okay, will be finished today, okay? Slice Pilot, your man. Get it now for free. No. Um, so, yeah, no. Hey, wait, stop. Here, Slice Pilot. Okay, that's the right one. So, you just get the Slice Pilot. You go to slicepilot.io. Bam, 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 bam. You go now here, try free. Very, very simple. And then you come to the Figma community plugin page. You can easily just click here, open, and you can use it. Okay, nothing more is needed. For the free plan, you have 6 times you can try it and use it. So we go through every step. What do you actually need? So first of all, the tool helps you, okay? There's nothing you need to learn by yourself. I make it as easy as possible, okay? You see, click one, please select a frame, okay? We select a frame. Now we have one frame, and it will be automatically be topped over the frame, so we don't have something icons or small text or whatever is missing. It's always on the top of every layer, so it's always included. We click here now 2, oh my god. We click 3, oh my god. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Oh my god, it gets so fast. Automatically, okay? It's automatically done. And we have also something very, very nice. You click one of these ones and adjust it manually. Oh, because I want to have it like this one. And this, I want to have this one. Why I want to have it like this? For example, when we don't want to use this as a slice, we want to say, okay, we want to rebuild this button, so we just don't want it, so we make it like this, and the other one we make it like this because we want to rebuild, okay? The software will automatically detect that one. Now you click compress and upload. No clients still selected. You have no clients. Okay, we go to settings. Ta-da! First of all, we have export setting. It will be automatically saved. Okay, we make now one PNG. Close. Oh my god. We go inside. Still there. We change it to 2. We close it. We open it. Oh my god, it's still there. Okay, so we don't have to struggle on the side to click that again. Then here, I just can remove them. I just put them there. So I have here, okay, we go. You go to your brand, that's a suspended account, so I can show you everything. You go here, you create a private API key. Click this one, name it whatever you want, okay? I just call it obvious. Slice Pilot, full access. Create this one, we have it, copy paste. We go back and we enter it here, okay? Here we name this client. We have here more client, okay? So we go back, then we have a client and we can click compress upload. I don't want to do it. That's too many files for me. So I just make one. We select the frame. Here you go. We select one. We go here, say no. Oh, that's the wrong one. I only wanted to make this slice, compress upload. And that's it, tada, you click that one click and that's it. You nothing need to do. You can work now on your computer. That shit is doing itself by himself. You see, it's getting the slices in the background. It's compressing the slices already done. It's uploading to Klaviyo and it's already done. So, and we go here, image and brands. You see it's here. And we didn't fake it because you can see 622 and it's 1822, okay? Already compressed, everything done, okay? That's it. So if you want to get this tool, very easy, very simple, you go on slicepilot.com. No, .io, sorry. .io and get this one. We have different plans. Adding credits, if you have just a starter, you can use 3 clients. It's like here you have just one client, even if you make another client and another client, here API key, here API key. you can't only use one. I'm sorry, but if you enter the right license key that we give you, you can use more clients. So here are the different plans you can use. And if you have any questions, just write me on X or support/pilot.io. I launched this software with one of my friends that also have an email agency, and I hope we can make you happy and save you a lot of more time. See you in the next video, and all the links in the description down below. Bye.